Yeah.
Hi everybody, it's me, Mary Jed Wisiak, and you can see I am not holding the Hope Central in Battleground, Washington. Today I'm in Bremerton, Washington, working with some fine people from the Coast Guard and the Marines and the civilian world here in the military, and we are learning about how to provide an assist workshop. So these people are learning how to teach a workshop that will help save their colleagues' lives. How awesome is that, right? So we're going to talk about determination today. We're going to talk about what it takes to stay well and to stay alive is determination. So I'm wondering, what do you guys think, what about determination?
Well, never give up. I think as long as there's breath.
Scott, he likes to talk.
Yeah, I do like to talk. So as long as there's breath, I mean, there's always hope. And so determination is never give up. There's always a resource out there. There's always someone to come alongside you. You don't have to do it alone. No one fights alone.
Nobody fights alone. There we go. Anybody else have anything to say about determination?
When I was a child, which was a different era.
Oh, there's Nick. My head doesn't bother. My head isn't hiding you anymore, Nick.
Here we go. All right. When I was a child, which I'll admit was a different era, as you can see, I'm older than other folks. I read Winston Churchill's 6-volume history of the Second World War.
Serious?
Yeah.
As a kid, you read 6 volumes of World War II.
This is Bill.
Oh my gosh.
But the point of the story is not that I read all of that. The point of the story was Winston Churchill's speech about we'll fight them in the air, we'll fight them on the beaches, and so on and so on. So you know the speech. I mean, it's one of the greatest speeches ever made. And the point is, I learned from childhood, just don't give up. Don't quit. And it's going to be okay. No matter where you are right now, you're not going to be there forever. No matter how bad it is now, you're going to work through it. You just keep slogging. From the Marines, I learned, if you're going through hell, keep going.
Nice. Nice. Anybody else?
Yeah,
Matt?
you know,
are you in there?
People
There he is.
don't know about me is I failed first grade.
You failed first grade?
Wow.
And then I failed 7th grade.
Seriously?
So you're like 40 already?
That is so awesome. And here you are.
And then I went and got my master's, and I'm looking at my doctorate.
Isn't he awesome?
Yeah.
So I've gone on a lot of hikes, and the rule about long distance hikes, I did a 200-mile hike through Iceland, is you can't look at the 200 miles. If you look at the 200 miles on day 1, you're not going to be able to do it. But the key is to look at every step that is required and to just take that step. If that's all you can do that day, then that's all you can do. But always take steps forward.
Oh my God, these guys are awesome. Anybody else want anything to say?
Well, I was just thinking,
Oh, Christy.
right before Matt started talking, I'm like, wow, okay, this fits. You know, I was thinking failure is your friend, in just that, each time that you fail at something, you're learning something, or you can take it that way. You can take it as like, all right, I can learn and grow from this. And to me, that's determination, is taking all the different little pitfalls, or, there's the 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but that turning that into a learning and a growth opportunity rather than having it be something that just shuts you down and stop instead of stop.